हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड इस स्टोरी के बहुत सारे एमसीक्यूज़। और इन एमसीक्यूज़ के पीडीएफ का लिंक तो मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने स्टोरी अच्छे से कर रखी है तो आप लोग जाके डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। वॉट डिड द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड से व्हेन अ मैन आस्क्ड हिम हुज बेबी आर यू? ऑप्शन ए, द चाइल्ड सेड आई वॉन्ट माई फादर, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर। ऑप्शन बी, द चाइल्ड सेड आई वॉन्ट टू गो होम। Option C, the child said, I live in a village. Option D, the child said, I am feeling hungry. And the correct answer is, the child said, I want my mother, I want my father. Next question comes here. At what point in the fair did the child lose his parents? Option A, at the sweetmeat shop. Option B, at the flower shop. Option C, at the balloon sellers. Option D, at the roundabout. And the correct answer is at the roundabout. Next question comes here. The child wanted to have balloons yet he walked on. Why? Option A, he knew his parents would never buy him the balloons. Option B, he knew his parents would say he was too old to play with such toys. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. And the correct answer is both A and B. Next question comes here. What did the child want to have at the flower shop? Option A, garland of roses. Option B, garland of violets. Option C, garland of gulmohar. Option D, garland of lilies. And the correct answer is garland of gulmohar. Next question comes here. What did the child say as they passed by the sweetmeat shop? Option A, he said, I want that burfi. Option B, he said, I want that jalebi. Option C, he said, I want that rasgulla. Option D, he said, I want that gulab jamun. And the correct answer is, he said, I want that burfi. Next question comes here. What shop was there at the entrance of the fair? Option A, toy shop. Option B, balloon shop. Option C, sweet meat shop. Option D, flower shop. And the correct answer is sweet meat shop. Next question comes here. What did the child start doing when a shower of young flowers fell on him? Option A, started collecting the flowers from the ground. Option B, he started gathering the raining petals in his hands. Option C, he started dancing with joy. Option D, he started climbing up the flowering tree. And the correct answer is, he started gathering the raining petals in his hands. Next question comes here. What did the parents do when they reached a shady grove? Option A, they collected some flowers for the child. Option B, they lay down to rest for some time. Option C, they sat down on the edge of a well. Option D, they listened to the cooing of doves. And the correct answer is, they sat down on the edge of a well. Next question comes here. Who said to the child, child, come onto the footpath? Option A, father. Option B, mother. Option C, both the father and the mother. Option D, neither the father nor the mother. And the correct answer is the mother. Next question comes here. How did the flowering mustard field look? Option A, white like silver. Option B, red like a rose. Option C, pale like melting gold. Option D, lovely like a rainbow. And the correct answer is pale like melting gold. Next question comes here. What did the father do when the child said, I want that toy? Option A, he at once bought the toy for the child. Option B, he said, look child, what is before you? Option C, he looked at the child red-eyed. Option D, he began to beat the child. And the correct answer is, he looked at the child red-eyed. Next question comes here. What did the parents say when the child lagged behind? Option A, come child, come. Option B, come or you'll be lost. Option C, come have these toys. Option D, come we are getting late. And the correct answer is, come child, come. Next question comes here. Who was the little boy going with? Option A, with his father. Option B, with his mother. Option C, with his father and mother. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is with his father and mother. Next question comes here. How were the people dressed for the festival? Option A, shabbily. Option B, daily. Option C, carelessly. Option D, scantily. And the correct answer is daily. Next question comes here. Why did the child say no to all the things he was earlier crying for? Option A, lost interest. Option B, his interest was changed. Option C, because being with parents was more important. Option D, none. And the correct answer is because being with parents was more important. Question comes here. What does the child's refusal to all the attractive things show towards the end? Option A, child loses interest. Option B, child's obstinacy. Option C, bond of love between child and parents is above everything. Option D, none. And the correct answer is bond of love between parents and children is above everything. Next question comes here. Why were the parents holding the hand of their child? Option A, to protect him from the crowd. Option B, because of their fears. Option C, to help him. Option D, none. And the correct answer is to protect him from crowd. Next question comes here. What is the theme of the story? Option A, close bonding between parent and children. Option B, village people are good. Option C, we must go to village fair. Option D, none. And the correct answer is close bonding between parents and children. Next question comes here. What does the story show? Option A, working of a fair. Option B, working of a village. Option C, village people are good. Option D, working of a child's mind. And the correct answer is working of child's mind. Next question comes here. How did the generous man try to calm down the child? Option A, showing him different toys. Option B, taking him to ride. Option C, talking to him and diverting his attention. Option D, all. And the correct answer is all of above. Next question comes here. What did the child realize? Option A, fear was charming. Option B, toys were attractive. Option C, that parents are the most valuable asset. Option D, none. And the correct answer is that parents are the most valuable asset. Next question comes here. What did the child do when he realized that he had lost his way? Option A, cried and ran here and there. Option B, felt happy. Option C, reported to office. Option D, none. And the correct answer is that cried and ran here and there. Next question comes here. What did the child want to eat at the fair? Option A, barfi. Option B, pastry. Option C, laddu. Option D, jalebi. And the correct answer is barfi. Next question comes here. What did the child lag behind his parents? Option A, because of the stops he took to look closely at his favorite thing. Option B, because he was walking slow, because he was crying. Option D, all of above. And the correct answer is because of the stops he took too closely at his favorite things. Next question comes here. Name the things that the child see on his way to the fair. Option A, toys, sweets and garlands. Option C, balloons. Option D, all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Next question comes here. Why did the child keep moving without getting any answers? Option A, because of distraction. Option B, because of too many distractions. Option C, because of his experience and assumed notions about his parents. Option D, none of above. And the correct answer is because of his experience and assumed notion about his parents. Next question comes here. Why did the child lose all his interest in all the things he was interested earlier? Option A, because of no separation from his parents and losing his way. Option B, because of no response from his parents. Option C, because his interest was changed. Option D, can't say. And the correct answer is because of his separation from his parents and losing his way. Next question comes here. What did the child speak repeatedly after losing his parents? Option A, I want my father, I want my mother. Option B, I want ride. Option C, I want toys. Option D, I want things. And the correct answer is I want my father and I want my mother. Next question comes here. Who is the author of the lesson The Lost Child? Option A, Sudha Murthy. Option B, Mulk Raj Anand. Option C, Amrita Pritam. Option D, all of above. And the correct answer is Mulk Raj Anand. Guys, यही थे हमारे टॉप एमसीक्यूज जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है. नीचे जो पीडीएफ के लिंक्स हैं उनसे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना. एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग द चैनल बिकॉज जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके एमसीक्यूज कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे. ठीक. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय.